How to set up a dev drive on Windows 11 for developers. Dev drive is a new feature in Windows 11 that allows developers to create a dedicated storage volume for their development workloads. Dev drive uses REPS technology to provide better performance, reliability, and security for developer files and projects. Dev drive also gives developers more control over the volume settings, such as trust designation, antivirus configuration, and filter attachment. To set up a dev drive on Windows 11, you need to meet some prerequisites and follow some steps. Here is a summary of how to set up a dev drive on Windows 11 for developers. Prerequisites: to create a dev drive, you need to have the following requirements: Windows 11 Insider Program Build, Dev Channel. Minimum 8 GB of RAM, 16 GB recommended. Minimum 50 GB of free disk space. Any Windows SKU version. Steps: to create a dev drive, you can use the Settings app or the Dev Home app. Open Settings and go to System Storage Advanced Storage Settings Disks and Volumes. Click Create Dev Drive. Alternatively, open Dev Home and click Create Dev Drive. You will have three options to create a dev drive: create new VHD, resize an existing volume, or unallocated space on disk. Choose the option that suits your needs and preferences. Create new VHD, this option will create a virtual hard disk file on your existing disk and use it as a dev drive. You will need to specify the name, location, size, and format of the VHD file. Resize an existing volume, this option will shrink an existing volume on your disk and use the freed space as a dev drive. You will need to select the volume you want to resize and specify how much space you want to allocate for the dev drive. Unallocated space on disk, this option will use the existing unallocated space on your disk as a dev drive. You will need to have at least 50 GB of unallocated space available on your disk for this option. After choosing an option, click Next and follow the on-screen instructions to create your dev drive. You can also customize some settings for your dev drive, such as drive letter, label, trust level, antivirus exclusion, etc. Once your dev drive is created, you can use it to store your development files and projects. You can also manage your dev drive from the Settings app or the Dev Home app. Learn more: set up a dev drive on Windows 11. Microsoft Learn.